Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start a new topic from T block, and the topic name is interhalogen compounds. Topic: interhalogen interhalogen compounds. Okay, so what we have in this particular topic of interhalogen compound. Halogen reacts with each other to form a number of compounds. Halogen reacts with each other to form a number of compounds that are known as compounds called interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds called interhalogen compounds. Now, in general, we have three types. X dash. So three or four types we have there. X dash type. Next X dash 3 type. Next X dash 5 type, and last we have X dash 7 type. So these are the types of the interhalogen compounds we have in this ClF, BRF. In another ClF3, BRF3, BRF3, ClF5, F5X. In this we have here BRClIF3, another that is BRF5, and that is we have in this ICl, IBr, IF, ICl3, I2Cl6, IF5, IF7. So these are the compounds in general we have as interhalogen compounds. Now we have some structures related to these compounds, just discussing. So the structures related to these compounds, what kind of structures we have related to these compounds. Generally see when we are discussing the structures, we have to mention the lone pairs also with these given structures of the compounds are there. So first X dash, and another component that is X dash. So that kind of structure we also have in this, that is X dash 3 compound we have, and in its structure this kind of structure we are having. One lone pair is there, another lone pair is there, Another possible structure of this compound will be when the two lone pairs are present, then these elements are arranged in this manner. So, bonding and structure of X-3 structures. Bonding and structure of X-3 molecules. X-3 molecules. Another type we have in this structure. X has sp3d hybridization. X has sp3d hybridization in the central atom on this particular X, and trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Trigonal bipyramidal geometry is present. Trigonal bipyramidal geometry is present in that particular structure. In another type of structures, what we have in this, we have some specific structures related to this, and they are X-5 and X-7 type structures. So, what kind of these structures are? We have X-5 structure X, that is X-5 type structure X, and 1X on this, and X side the lone pair. So X-5 molecule. In this molecule, we have sp3d2 hybridization. sp3d2 hybridization on central atom, and octahedral geometry is present. Octahedral geometry is present in this particular case. Another example in which we have X7 orbital, in which we have this kind of arrangement of the molecules in these molecules. So, what condition we have? X dash, and X dash of arrangement of the molecules. One molecule is present out of the plane. It means that kind of structure is present there. So that is X-7 molecule has this type of structure. In this central atom, this X has sp3d3 hybridization is present. sp3d3 hybridization is present in that particular condition in which we have, and pentagonal bipyramidal geometry. Pentagonal bipyramidal geometry is present. Bipyramidal geometry is present in these molecules which we have. Now at the last we have different usage of these interhalogen compounds. They are used as non-aqueous solvents. Used first as non-aqueous solvents. Second, use compounds of fluorine are very useful and fluorine agents. They are used as fluorine agents, ClF3 and BrF3, fluorine agents. These compounds of fluorine are used. So that is all about the interhalogen compounds. We will continue with next topic in our next class. Thank you very much.